Can the motorcycle driver here recover for his injuries?
Dash cam video shows the terrifying moment a motorcycle crashed on the eastbound 210 freeway in Irwindale. The driver caught on camera landing in the back of a truck yesterday.
Here, the motorcycle rear-ended the truck and then fell into the truck's bed. Now, because the motorcycle driver will most likely be found to be at fault, he'll probably have no recourse against the truck driver. Now, believe it or not, the truck driver can most likely recover against the motorcycle driver's insurance for bodily injury and damage done to his truck.